Hello YouTube, here we are today out at Beanie Forrest in Dubbo Council area. I just thought I'd give you a quick look before I rip this pack. It's the creek's been running but not too very much, so yeah, I'm gonna have some fun here. And my kids, wife's playing down there. Why is his feet all wet? Bloody hell. Kids. Alright, let's rip some balls. Oh, and look what finally come. My Ovonic packs. Yeah. So yeah, this is flying on the Ovonics. Alright, let's rip. That was a hard hit when I first started. Oh, that prop's... Hopefully it didn't affect the footage too much. Should have come over and had a look at it. But yeah, if it's good footage, thanks Emu Flat. Might find either another place to fly, or we'll call it, as it's getting dark and the sun's behind the trees, and I've lost my film light. Well, it was fun. Let's do this again sometime, shall we? See you next time, and shout out to my Patreons. You know who you are. Thank you.